Good morning. So today we woke up in Michigan on the shores of Lake Huron, and we are headed into Lake Huron today to go to Mackinac Island. I'm really excited. We've never been there before. It's a really interesting place. It was the second national park in the US after Yellowstone. It was a national park for about 20 years, and then they gave the land over to the state of Michigan, and so now I believe it is a state park. In any case, there is also no cars there, no motorbikes. They don't allow any of those. Back in the 1800s, when cars started to come about, they would scare the horses on the island that they would use for, carriages and taxis. So they outlawed it, and now you still can't have one. So it's really interesting, cool place. People get around by bikes mostly. And the part that I am probably most excited about is we are staying for 2 nights on the island at the Grand Hotel, which is like the super fancy hotel. It was built in the 1800s, so it's, the very old, beautiful style, and it has this super long porch, and there's several hundred rooms, and each one of them is decorated uniquely. So I can't wait to see which one we get.
Regular people lived on Main Street USA.
Yeah, you're right.
Because the buildings are all the same, and there's still the horse-drawn carriages and stuff that people have.
Check out ye ol' Starbucks. Yeah, I think there's about 800 fudge places. Alright, we're stopped for lunch, and then after that we're gonna go get bikes and tour around the island. Alright, time for us to get on bikes. Mine has a little flower on it. Okay. No. So we came across this Dwight spring, and I was reading this, how it supplies natural fresh water. I finished reading and I was like, oh, we can drink from that? And then literally right at the bottom, caution, do not drink. Alright, we returned our bikes. That was about an 8-mile loop, just over 8 miles that we did around the island. And we stopped in at the grocery store to get some food for tonight because we pretty much just want to relax in our room. It got a bit chilly and overcast, and I think it's gonna thunderstorm tonight. So yeah, we're just headed up to our hotel now. Look how old-timey the police station looks. I feel like I've only seen lamps like that say police on them in cartoons and old film noir movies. I love their sign out here. this is us. I'll give you a little tour. So right when you come in, this is the bed. This awesome awning. And then there's a little sitting room, dressers, mirror. We have a TV. Big storage. Of course, it's green inside. And then we have the bathroom over here. Pretty big shower. Ooh, check out the towels. They say Grand Hotel. Oh, even the... Oh, okay. So the Grand Hotel's kind of signature is geraniums. It's on all the carpets. And if we weren't here in May, they would have them out on the big porch. But yeah, they have geranium scented soap. And this is lotion. Yes, geranium scented hand and body lotion. I have to say, our view isn't much. But then again, I mean, we didn't pay for a view, so it's okay. So check out our high security hotel refrigerator. You actually need your key to get into it. I was trying to figure out how to put my mimosa ingredients in. Yeah, it's under lock and key. All right, we're gonna stay in our room the rest of the night because it's beautiful. And we really liked the island. It's so cool here. I love that there's no cars or anything allowed. When we were done with the bike ride, the streets were pretty much empty, and a lot of the people that were around were people who live on the island. So we saw people driving their bikes with little carts set behind them with their groceries and stuff inside. It was just really cool. It must be really interesting to live here. We're only here for 2 nights, but I would love to spend longer here. It looks like a really cool place. It was also interesting, we passed the public school when we were on our bike ride, and what a wild place to grow up, right? But anyway, the weekend that we are here, specifically why we chose this weekend, this is actually the week before the island officially opens. So we chose this weekend because, yeah, we didn't want there to be a million people here. I've seen pictures of this place in the summer and it looks packed, so. And the other reason, which is great, is our room was basically 50% off. So that's why we're at this super fancy hotel. I'm really glad to get to stay here. So yeah, we are going to pull out the laptop and watch an old movie in our vintage room. Oh, that scared me. So it is basically afternoon now. We spent the whole morning just relaxing in bed, watching our show. It was really nice. It rained all last night and all morning, and now it looks like there is a break in the rain. So we are gonna head down to Main Street. We are gonna get some lunch, and we have not tried the Mackinac Island fudge yet, so we're gonna get some of that as well. That's something they're known for. And then our only plan for this afternoon is to explore the hotel. So yeah, let's go before it starts raining again. It's a very quiet day on the island. Alright, so we picked up some fudge for dessert. We went to 2 different places. We got...
unidentified fudge.
So we got chocolate. Oh wait, what was the other one?
Chocolate peanut butter.
Oh, Oreo with white chocolate on the top. And from the other shop, ooh, so we got turtle, dark chocolate espresso. And by the way, we're not eating all of this. We're gonna share this with people at home as well. And cookie crunch. And this horse and carriage symbol, it's kind of like a symbol around the island. It's I thought it was the Grand Hotel symbol, but this seems very similar to it, so must just be a symbol of Mackinac Island itself. Alright, which one do you want to try first?
The Oreo.
The Oreo? Okay. Okay, so we are finally on our way out to go take a look around at every inch of this hotel, or at least until 6 o'clock, because then at 6 o'clock we'll have to come back to change our clothes. See, at 6 o'clock, everyone on the property for the Grand Hotel needs to be dressed well, I'll say. They phrased it really funny on their website. It was like, because every night at the Grand Hotel is a special occasion, you have to be dressed for it, basically. So all women need to be wearing like pantsuits or dresses, and men need to be wearing coats and ties. So we have that with us, and we will come back and change if we need to, if we run out of time. So let's get going. I want to do as much as we can before I need to put heels on. All right, 6 o'clock, so we came upstairs to freshen up, get fancy. It's still pouring rain outside, but I mean, we don't have anywhere to be. We're just gonna stay in the hotel. So I think we're gonna bring our books down to sit in the lobby for a while, and then we'll probably head upstairs to the Cupola bar. They have some nice views up there, and we'll get some appetizers and drinks. There's a photo of Dita Von Teese sitting right here. That's how I first found out about this hotel, actually. She was doing a tour of her home, and I guess on her little patio balcony, it's lined with these red geraniums that are the hallmark of this hotel, and it's because she loves the island and loves this hotel. Whoa, where is it? Because it was the off-season, we got to peek into most of the rooms and suites because they were being refreshed or worked on right before open. I can attest that each was decorated completely different. Ooh, they got the view. Oh, the couple of them. Alright, it's the end of the night and we leave on the ferry tomorrow. I don't want to go. But yeah, we're leaving at the 8 a.m. ferry, so we are having a taxi cab, which is to say a horse-drawn taxi, picking us up with our luggage at 7:30 tomorrow morning, so we have to get to bed. And yeah, we're just driving home after that, so I think I will end this vlog here. I will see you in the next one. Bye!